In today's video, let me show you how to fix the Facebook account temporarily locked. Welcome back everyone to this new tutorial video. Now this can be quite a bit tricky. If your account actually has been temporarily locked and whenever you try to open up or log into your Facebook account, you would get a similar interface or a similar screen which says your account has been temporarily locked. So in this situation, what you'll need to do is just tap on the continue button or get started button that you might be able to see on the screen that is being displayed. So you can just tap on one of these options that is being displayed, and in the next screen you'll be prompted to receive a 6-digit code on either your linked phone number or your email address that is linked with your Facebook account. Once you receive or add in the code, in the next few steps you'll need to add in or upload your identity document, which is your government issued ID, and you also may need to verify or identify the names of your friends based on the tag photos. So once you complete both of these steps and once Facebook verifies that you actually are the owner of the account temporary lock will be fixed and your account will be free to use. So this is a process that you will need to follow. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next one.